I've been on ABC, NBC, WBBM Radio, WCPT, MSNBC, and other radio, TV, and newspapers. So let's get started now.
Divorce is never an easy process, especially when children are involved. Co-parenting after a separation can be challenging, but it is possible to make it work for the benefit of your family. In this video, we will discuss some practical tips and strategies for successful co-parenting, including effective communication, establishing clear boundaries, putting children first, and seeking professional help if needed. Whether you are newly divorced or have been co-parenting for some time, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical advice to help you navigate this journey with grace and compassion. Divorce, co-parenting, communication, children, professional legal help. Welcome to Divorced and Co-Parenting, How to Make It Work for Your Family by the divorce attorneys at the law offices of Jeffrey M. Jacobson in Illinois. If you've recently gone through a divorce or separation and are struggling to co-parent effectively, you're not alone. But don't worry, with the right tools and strategies, you can successfully navigate this journey and create a healthy and supportive environment for your children to thrive. As a divorce attorney, I have learned a lot during my 30-plus years helping single parents. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies for successful co-parenting. Effective communication is key to successful co-parenting. This can include regularly scheduled check-ins, discussing important decisions together, and being willing to compromise when necessary. It's also important to keep conversations respectful and not let emotions take over. Remember, you're working together for the benefit of your children. Establishing clear boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries is crucial for creating a healthy co-parenting relationship. This can include things like establishing a shared parenting schedule, communicating expectations and rules for your children, and setting boundaries for yourself to maintain healthy emotional boundaries. Putting children first. Putting your children first should always be the priority when co-parenting. This means prioritizing their needs and well-being, even if it means putting your own needs aside. Always communicate with your children and ensure they feel loved and supported by both parents. Seeking professional help. Co-parenting can be challenging, and sometimes seeking professional help is necessary. This can include couples therapy, individual therapy, or support groups. Don't be afraid to seek help if you need it. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Thank you for watching Divorced and Co-Parenting, How to Make It Work for Your Family. Remember, successful co-parenting is possible with effective communication, clear boundaries, putting children first, and seeking professional help if needed. By working together, you can create a supportive and loving environment for your children to thrive.